Hey guys, my name is Jeevna. Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you two basic French hairstyles, that is a three-stranded French braid and a fishtail French braid. So many think that this is very tough job to do, but no, when you practice these are very easy go-to hairstyles. Without any further ado, let's get into the video. For the first hairstyle, I'm gonna take a front section like a poof and then divide it into three sections. Take your right section and cross it over the middle, left section over the middle. And then take your right section again over the middle and start adding hair from a side to a middle section. And then take your left section, cross it over the middle and then start adding hair from a side to the middle. Repeat the same process. I hope you got to know how to do it, so I'm just not gonna bore you guys and just gonna fast forward the process. Continue braiding after you reach the end. And that's it, you're done. I'm just gonna show how it looks. For the second hairstyle, do the same as you have done for the first hairstyle. That is, take a poof in the front and divide it into two sections. Take a small section of hair from your left section and then cross it over. Take a small section from the right and cross it over. As you have got the grip, take a small section of your hair and then start adding hair from sides of your hair. And then repeat the same process till you reach the end. This hairstyle takes a lot of time, like it takes a minimum of 15 minutes. I used to style this when I was in college. Releasing all my hair after coming home makes my hair very smooth and silky sometimes because I used to do it loose. Doing it tight may damage your hair, so try this once and see if it works for you. Making tighter braids not only damages your hair but also makes it rough and curly. At the end, if you are remained with this much of hair, what you are gonna do is just section it and add it to the upper two sections and then start braiding as usual. My arms are aching, so what I'm gonna do is just take it to the front and start braiding. Here I'm gonna braid in a reverse manner. Doing it will not twist my braid. I'm feeling sleepy, guys. And you're done with the hairstyle. So you can see how loose I've done my French freestyle braid. So this is what I said you guys, that you have to do it loose so that it doesn't damages your hair and makes your hair smooth and silky. Bye guys. So I hope you like these two hairstyles. And yeah, I hope you will be trying these hairstyles at your home. And if you are new to this channel, please like, share, and subscribe. If you're already a subscriber, then like and share. And thank you for watching this video. And yeah.